Hey everybody, we've got a Model A Victoria here. This is a Hubley kit, so it shouldn't be done under 8. Boy oh boy, they had a lot of confidence in 8-year-olds back then. Okay, let's start out as always with the directions. Let me move this out of the way. So this, what I had to do was photocopy the instructions. Alright, so I've got couple pages here. Alrighty, so Model A Victoria. Try to get this all in here. Alright. Best I can do for you, because if you don't have the instructions, well, you need them. Maybe not. These aren't very difficult kits to put together. It's all in the details. This is kit number 4866. And then here is the last page, which, sorry about that. I didn't even realize I had the photocopy wasn't all that great. And then we'll look at the breakout. So I don't think that's a bad copy. Okay, this thing says it needs a screw bag. Alright, we've got a baggie. So this one's been a loose kit. Let's see what all's in here. Those are headlights and turn signals or taillights. It's the head for the engine. Engine here. One body side, two body side. Roof in good shape. Somebody started painting the body. And have the frame. And someone started assembling. This is steering. Got the hood. And then we've got the rear axle. So I think this is missing just a wee bit more than a screw kit. I think we're missing steering wheel, steering column, missing all kinds of pieces to this one. But I think I might have to just part this one out instead of selling the whole kit. So this is Model A Victoria in a really crappy box. Thanks for watching. I'm going to do plenty more videos.